ought, and at graphemes. We have the ought grapheme in hot, got, pot. Hot, got, pot. Hot, pot. For example, he's got a hot pot. Again, repeat after me. He's got a hot pot. We have the grapheme at in hat, cat, pat. For example, hat, cat, pat. I pat the cat with a hat. Repeat after me. I pat the cat with a hat. Now it is your turn. You have to record an audio in which you read the following sentences. Ok, ahora es su turno. Debes grabar un audio donde leas las siguientes oraciones. Las palabras en amarillo simplemente están así para llamar nuestra atención especialmente, pero hay que leer las oraciones completas. I pat the cat with a hat. He's got a hot pot. Good luck!